Welcome to day 12 of my 30-day security challenge. It's the month-long challenge I created to help you gain control of your privacy and security online. You can follow along with the whole thing at snubzy.com, and you can also check out each video over on youtube.com/TekThing, which will be curated into a nice, pretty playlist. Today, let's chat about private backup solutions. You have already taken tons of steps to make your home network, your computers, and your mobile devices more secure. You've even done what you can to make your IoT devices secure. But what do you do in the event of a natural disaster? I live in earthquake country, but I have also witnessed a volcano in Hawaii, a hurricane in Virginia, a tornado in Missouri, and wildfires here in California as well. Yeah, that's the life of being an army brat. Anything can happen. Somebody could break into your house and steal your computer. Your apartment complex neighbor could leave the gas on overnight and they could burn the complex down. You could accidentally leave your laptop in your car and somebody could steal it. You could spill water on it or coffee. So you want to make sure that you have redundancy in the form of backups. Now, while this isn't necessarily crucial for privacy and security reasons, it is a crucial step for your peace of mind. Me, I have 4 backups. I have the local one on my computer, I have a network-attached storage device that automates backups every day, I have a hard drive that I back up seasonally and I store it in a fireproof safe, and I also have an online cloud solution. Now, since cloud solutions mean that you'll be trusting a third party with your data, it is important to only pick a cloud backup that is privacy conscious. There is absolutely no reason for a company to hold any kind of encryption keys or password details for your files. Now, for example, I use SpiderOak One, but there are others that I will also mention today. I chose SpiderOak because of their no-knowledge policy and inexpensive pricing model. So I got a holiday deal of unlimited backups for $129 a year. Now, sounds expensive at first, but it seems reasonable to me. My photos and my videos are worth a lot more than that. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is that zero knowledge means the company that runs those servers for those cloud backups has no knowledge of your data. You should be the only person who has access to your data. That also means that you're the only person who has access to your passwords and private keys to your data. So it's also important to find a company that encrypts your files before they are transmitted to the cloud. SpiderOak does this, which is another reason why I pay for that service, but with that encryption comes a slower upload and a slower download speed. Now, personally, I don't really notice the speed difference since I just automate my backups every night after I go to bed. Luckily, setup is super easy whenever you've decided to create an account and become a customer of a cloud backup option. They usually have tutorials on their sites. You simply sign up with a username and password and create a really good master password for your cloud backups and download the desktop or mobile app to start backing up. I highly suggest going through the application and account settings to make sure that you've opted into any privacy settings, turned on automated backups, and have encryption turned on if it's not a default. Most cloud service providers also offer really nice perks like file sharing and storing past file versions. So keep in mind your personal needs as well whenever you sign up for one of these. Now, like I mentioned, there are a lot of other options too. There's Tresorit and there's Sync.com, for example. Those two come to mind. And if you are already using other cloud options like Google Drive, Box, or Dropbox, all of which are not zero-knowledge options, you can encrypt files before transferring them with services like ODrive. How useful! Now remember, there is no reason to upload files to a cloud service without encryption. Options are abundant and different prices are available, and features are becoming more and more welcoming to consumers. These options I've mentioned are consumer-friendly for convenience, and they also offer privacy and security for your cloud backups. Now go out there and find a cloud backup solution you prefer, sign up, and get it downloaded. Set up an automated backup of your files and check those security settings. And that's it for today. Day 12 is now complete. Tomorrow is all about setting up a password manager. But first, make sure to subscribe on YouTube and hit up snubzy.com for the downloadable checklist. Again, I'm Shannon Morris, and I will see you tomorrow for day 13.